only been a month. Battery needs replacing the stick-up camera already. So yeah, it's been pretty much spot on 1 month to the day, and he's got a new battery in already, so it's a lot quicker than I expected. I also noticed that it's saying the wireless quality isn't so good either, which is odd because it's very close to the access point. So the only thing I can think of is that it's because I've moved it, you know, from the cave when I'm setting up, it's trying harder to get to the wrong access point. So I'm going to reset that as well, and also see if I might adjust the motion detection a little bit to try and reduce the amount of time it's coming on. However, what has been really good, and I'll add in the end of this video, it's already saved me some money. So it caught a courier driving over the front garden and ripping out one of the posts. So it's, I don't want to disable it too much because it's doing good stuff, but a bit frustrating that, you know, it's only been a month and already need to change the battery. But not the end of the world because I have to get the ladder out and do it. But I thought whilst I had it open, we'd look to see how you can tell what battery needs changing really. I'm not sure if you can see on the video, on the camera, but there's one of the lights is flashing red, the other one is constant, so it's a flashing one that needs to be changed. So let me just have a look on the phone as well. Let's just see. I can show you what it says. So it's quite good. You do get alerts on the phone, and you also get an email. So if you can see here, you can see one of the batteries is already low. Also shows the battery doors open, which is quite interesting. So yeah, it's got down to 10% now. It started using the other battery already. So when it got to about 13%, I think it started using the other battery. So yeah, I'll change the battery, change the settings, and then I'll update you guys in the future if it's lasting longer than a month. But stay tuned for the little comedy video at the end that shows both my Ring doorbell and the spotlight camera working together to catch the idiot ripping the side off his van and damaging my post. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.